What you need to know about stock market investments. Investment in the stock market can be a complicated process. There is a lot of analysis and examination of the market that must be done, in order to ensure that you buy and sell the right stocks. Some of the complications involved with the market can be eliminated with the stock market advice in this video. Don't expect too much too soon from the stock market. If you think that you will make a mountain of money immediately, you are mistaken. The only way to make a significant return on your money is to take on a very risky stock. While there's a chance you may be successful, more likely than not you will end up losing some or all of your money. Long-term investment plans are the ones that usually result in the largest gains. You'll get more return if you make realistic investments instead of making high-risk, unpredictable investments. In order to maximize your profits, make sure you try and hold onto your stocks as long as you can. Do not look at investing in the stock market as a hobby. It is something that has a lot of risk involved and it should be taken very seriously. If you do not have enough time, effort and patience to take it seriously, then you should not get yourself involved with it. Beginner stock investors would be wise to make themselves prepared to lose a bit of money on some of their trades. Oftentimes, new traders panic at the first dollar they lose and quickly sell off their stocks before giving them a chance to recover on their own. Educate yourself about basic accounting principles, the history of the market, and how to read and understand annual reports. While you don't need to be a professional accountant to participate in the market, this kind of knowledge will help you make the smartest investment decisions, based on your goals for investing. Consider investing in index mutual funds. These funds buy and hold the stocks of the companies that comprise one of the major stock indices. These funds allow you the chance to capitalize on the returns of the overall stock market, without excessive fees or sector risk. These funds also require very little maintenance or attention. Try purchasing some reliable investment management software to use when you invest. They are completely affordable these days, as is a high-speed internet connection. You don't need to spend your time and efforts trying to come up with the best ways to invest when there are programs out there that can help. Do not wait for a price drop. If you are interested in purchasing a stock, resist the urge to hold out on purchasing until it drops in price. If you are right about that stock being a good investment, a dip may not come, potentially costing you a lot more in profit. In conclusion, although the stock market can be a complicated thing to invest in, it is still very possible to invest and have success. All that is needed to do this is a clear understanding of the stocks and how to analyze them. Thanks to the advice in this video, it can be easier to do. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.